What's happening, you guys? If you're having issues with your power locks being very sluggish, you know, they work, but they're very sluggish, especially on the passenger side over there. It could be both sides, actually. Like if you push your power lock button and it just moves very slowly to get in position, where that's normal, there, moves nice and quick. But if yours is like, struggling to go down, I resolved this one by, get you a little thin piece of wood or something, because you're going to have to look down in here and you're going to lubricate some of the little rods and things that are attaching the actuator to the actual locking mechanism that's over in this area of the door. Okay, so, just put you something in here, then you can get you a flashlight and look down inside. If we can see this. Not the easiest thing to see because the sun is in my eyes. Hold on one second. If you can see down in there, there are various little rods and things that are attaching to the lock itself. Come on. You'll see them once you look down in there. There's basically little hinges and rods and pivot points and all that down inside this area. I know it's hard for you to see now, but you'll see what I mean once you look down in there. There's, in this area, because the actual lock is right there, of course. And then it's attached to the little actuator motor that's in this area over here. So get you some lubricant. You can use like garage door silicone lubricant, even WD-40, something like that. Something with a longer nozzle that you can actually change its direction. And if you will lubricate some of those points that are just on the other side of this area inside the door, lubricate some of those points, because mine, passenger side especially, was very sluggish on that side over there. It was like would barely lock when you push the button. So if you'll just lubricate some of those points, anything relating to the mechanism back on this side in here, you will see the other side does it well too, but the lighting is very bad over there, so it's pointless to try and show you. But now it locks perfectly on both sides. So, just check your lubrication points inside the door panel. If you'll just hold this open with a little piece of wood or something so that you can look down in there, and you'll see what I mean. It's pretty obvious in there. There's not much going on in there other than the glass itself and the little locking mechanism. You'll see what it's in there. Not that big a deal, and will help your door locks work more effectively. Check out our other videos. We got all kinds of stuff, always adding more. See y'all later.